Hello everybody, in today's lesson I'd like to tell you a little bit more about TOEFL. Have you heard about the TOEFL's name? TOEFL, what is TOEFL? TOEFL is an international test which stands for Test of English as a Foreign Language. TOEFL is very worldwide, and by passing TOEFL you can be granted to be in many universities, especially United States, Canada, Australia and England. So today I will be teaching you what can we do, how to pass, and what are the necessary skills for passing TOEFL. This is the first session, and I'm sure that you watch carefully in order to understand what the TOEFL test is. As you know that the TOEFL test has 4 important skills, and we start with reading, listening, speaking, and writing. So, in the next video, I will be teaching you what questions do we have in writing section, and I will be analyzing that what are 2 important tasks in writing of TOEFL. So the videos will be generally about the writing of TOEFL, and in the next videos, inshallah, I will be teaching you what is independent task and what is integrated task. The previous lesson, I generally told you what is TOEFL, what it stands for. I spoke to you how many questions do we have in reading, in listening, speaking, and after this, I will be teaching you only the writing section of the TOEFL. As in the previous lesson, I told you that in the writing section of TOEFL, we have to have 2 tasks, yes or no? Number 1, we had independent, and number 2, we had integrated. So, Mr. Hussain, could you tell us about the official site for searching information about the TOEFL test?
In the name of Allah, there is a site by the name of www.ets.org.
May you briefly tell me what did we study in the previous session?
In the name of Allah, in the previous session, we studied about general information about the TOEFL test.
Okay.
What is the TOEFL test? TOEFL test is the test of English as a foreign language.
Okay.
And what do we need if we pass the TOEFL test? If we are going to pass the TOEFL test, we need to have a good English proficiency and readiness. And the TOEFL test is divided into 4 parts.
Okay.
The first one is reading, listening, speaking, and writing. In reading section, we have 3 to 5 essays, and it has 60 up to 100 minutes that we should read and answer the questions that we have.
Very good.
The second step that we have listening. In listening section, we have 2 parts that we have 2 up to 3 dialogues. The second part is we have 4 up to 6 lectures that we have to listen and we have to answer the questions, and it has a 60 minutes time. The third step is speaking section. In the speaking section, we have 2 steps: independent tasks and integrated tasks. In independent tasks,